Hello my friends. So I know this is a video you guys have been dying to see. Just kidding. I'm actually the one who's really excited for this. Today I'm taking on the project of cleaning up my fridge. And let me show you inside in just a second. It's kind of a mess. It has no organizational structure to it at all whatsoever. And I'm going to do it with some things that I already have. I'm going to restock up a couple things. And then later on, I will continue to get more and more items for organization. But for right now, I'm kind of just going to do it with what I have. And then it'll just upgrade over time because I don't feel like spending any money today. So let's take a look inside. Okay, so before we get to the fridge, I really want to show you guys something that I think is so cute. It is these Apple Watch bands from the brand MissAir. They're so cute. Oops, I got a little tangled up. So this is the brand, MissAir. They are so cute. This design just feels so luxurious and so cute. And they are electroplated with 18 and 24 karat gold so that they don't oxidize, which I think is amazing. So this isn't gonna turn your wrist green. This isn't gonna discolor or any of that. And it also has a 1-year guarantee for if any of the diamonds are missing or anything happens to it, which I think is so awesome. And this feels so much cuter than any other band because it's just fancy, but at the same time kind of simple. And it just, I don't know, I feel like this is a way better accessory to go with my watch. So absolutely go check out the brand MissAir because they are so cute. They also have additional colors. So there's this black one with the diamond rhinestones, and then there's also this silver one which I love, and then I've got on this rose gold or gold-ish, which is so cute. So absolutely go check them out because this is a purchase that is very well worth it. I think this is so cute and it makes your Apple Watch look a lot more stylish. Go check out their website. It is linked in our description down below. Use the code Braden15 to get 15% off, which is super sweet. I just wanted to give them a little bit of a shout out because they are so cute and so sweet, and I absolutely just love these. So go check them out in the link down below, and then let's get to the organizing. Oh boy. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. There's literally everything is just thrown in. We have leftovers all the way back from Thanksgiving still in here that I don't think are still gonna be good. And then up here, it's not so bad because we don't really have much in it. We have a gigantic thing of ice cream though, which is pretty awesome. So this one will not take much, but down here, this is gonna be fun. All right, let's start by taking pretty much everything out. I'm just gonna use this little table we got from our registry, and I'm pretty much just gonna put everything on or underneath it, kind of like I did a little while back when I cleaned out our pantry. And if you haven't seen that video, definitely go and check it out. I think it was pretty satisfying. If you ask me, I was able to do it with less than $20 or exactly $20, something like that. But yeah, check that out. So anyways, we're gonna start by cleaning this out because I don't even know half of the stuff that's in here. There's so much that's hidden in the back that it's I'm worried that it's gonna be kind of gross. I don't know how old this is.
What is it?
This Coke. Oh!
Diet Coke?
Yeah, look at it. So there's something sticky that spilled in the fridge. Got all over this bag of muffins that we've had since the wedding. Should probably throw that out. I don't know if they're still good. I think if we would have frozen them, they would have been, but I forgot to do that. So if you see back there, there's something sticky along the back walls. I'm gonna need to take everything out and clean that because it's gross. Thanksgiving. Oh boy. was sausage. That's going in the trash. Okay, we've got everything cleaned out. Now I want to take out even the shelves and wipe this down because this is a little bit gross and we've only been here not that long. So I'm gonna get some cleaning supplies and just clean this whole puppy out so we can start nice and fresh. That was really quiet. We're ready. Honey, will you bring me like a butter knife? Or no, a spatula? Darling? Yeah, thank you. Spilled. It's tasty. Okay, now we can scrub it down. That was icky. Everything has been washed and dried. I washed the drawers, the shelves. Everything is good, so I'm gonna put that back in so we can figure out how the heck to organize this thing. Now let's start organizing. Firstly, I'm gonna show you the kind of funny parts of what I'm throwing out because I realized we had some leftovers kind of stuck in the back of here that we didn't even give a second thought to. So first, I'm gonna hold my breath for this one. We've got old sausage my mom gave us like when we first moved in here to put on our pizzas because we make a lot of pizzas. So stop. That's This whole Tupperware is going in the garbage. I'm sorry. That's wasteful, but that is nasty. Oh my gosh. Hun.
Yeah.
There's so much mold in there. It's so gross. Oh my gosh. Okay, next we've got some chicken and rice that my mom also gave us when we were like newly in here. It's not as bad, but the rice is literally like frozen solid. Oh, that smells so bad. That smells so bad. Okay, so those are trash. And then we have old muffins that I should have frozen. I feel really bad about. That my awesome aunt made for our wedding, and they were so delicious, and we had way more than that. So we ate a lot, but we just could not eat anymore. So sadly those have to go. And then let's see what else. I don't know if this is still good or not. I made clam chowder for Brayden and I the other day. I'm not sure if that's good. That one I will leave in the maybe, because I'm not sure. I don't like to take risks with certain foods that can make me really sick. And then we've got these awesome strawberry shortcakes that I'm really sad I didn't eat, that we had at Brayden's family's house over Thanksgiving. As you can see through the bottom, they're completely mush. So those are also getting thrown away, but obviously I will wash all the Tupperwares. We've got ham from Thanksgiving. Again, not sure what the status of that is. I'll have to check on it. Probably bad. Yeah, it looks discolored. This is yummy. This is why I needed to do this earlier, but it's okay. We're here now. And then lastly, Thanksgiving leftovers. Down here we got stuffing and sweet potatoes. Let's see. Please don't stink. Please don't stink. There's mold. Oh, why did I wait so long to do this? And then, I don't know if I want to open this. It's got broccoli in it, and broccoli smells. But, here we go. Anyways. Oh, that smells so bad. Give me a minute. Okay, now that that's out of the way, that's gonna be some fun dishes for me to do after this, but it's okay. I don't mind. We're good. It smells better. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the door because this stuff is taking up a lot of space. So I just wanna get this organized and restocked because we do have a little bit of a soda problem. We love our Dr. Pepper in this house. And so I'm gonna start with just stocking that up because it'll get drunk. Drinking. I don't like saying, you know what I mean. We'll just go right there. So there is the soda shelf. And then I'm thinking right here I'm gonna put like sauces to start with. So we'll go buffalo, barbecue, dressing, teriyaki sauce, and hot sauce probably. Okay, I might change this just because it feels a little bit crowded right here, but that's okay. Actually, that's better already. Okay, and then in this side, that would stay. I'm putting more of my sweet stuff. This coffee creamer, which I put in my Dr. Pepper, which is heavenly. And then our chocolate syrup and whipped cream. I'll switch those two around. Just like that. And then on top, I think I'm gonna put more like my jars and smaller things, if that makes sense. So I'll put those in just a sec. I've got this strawberry lemonade jelly, which is so yummy. Perfect. Jam from my sweet grandma, of course. Alfredo sauce. This thing of biscuits up here, unless I find somewhere better to put it. And then lastly in here, I always just keep a stick of butter in here because I keep the rest in the freezer. So this way at least I have one that's thawed if I need it for baking or something. And then I'm gonna put our little energy shots up here as well, just to get them in a more protected space, I guess, for their size so they don't get lost in all of the other stuff. So the door and shelves are all finished and stocked up. So now let's move into this part of the fridge. I'm not entirely sure where I want everything to go yet, but I know I want to do like produce, fruits, veggies in here. And then in here, probably like our cheese and our like sandwich meats and stuff is kind of what I was thinking. So let's see if that fits first, and then we'll kind of work our way up. Because there's a couple things I know where I want to go, and then the rest I'm like, meh, I'll figure out. So in here, we've got blackberries, and a little Tupperware. Here, there will be more fruit as we continue to stock up our fridge, but for right now, those are good. An avocado for meals and a tomato for meals. We're not big tomato people, but there's one recipe we like that has it, so I'll just keep those in there. I probably should put it in a container or something. Somebody let me know if I'm doing it wrong or any tips. But yeah, I think that's just gonna be good for right now until we get more fruit and produce. And then in here, we've got a bunch of different kinds of cheese and then sandwich meat. So I'm thinking I will put this on the bottom. Pepperoni left. We went through this stuff so fast. Put that on the side of regular shredded cheese. Of cream cheese. there's probably a better place for that as well. I might put that in the door. I don't know yet. I'm undecided. Mozzarella cheese. And then on the bottom here, we're obviously gonna put our big stuff. We've got aloe vera juice, which has a lot of health benefits. Kind of keep that in the back. Our big thing of water until we get our water filter replaced because we got a broken one. Brayden's favorite, he loves milk. Just kidding. Then our almond milk and apple juice. I think this will again have more things just as we buy more things, but for now, it's great. Okay, and then on this shelf, I'm thinking of doing like our bread products and eggs. I think would be the safest place to put those so they don't get smushed by anything else and stuff like that. So, got our bread. I will probably finish like right after I take this video. So I'll just put that in there with it. Our pizza crust left over, which I think we could probably stack stuff on top of that, no problem. Then our eggs will go on the end. I think on this middle shelf, I'm also gonna put my yogurts. So I completely forgot I have these sweet little organizers that we got off of our registry for our wedding. So I am going to put the yogurt and stuff in here, which I feel will look a little bit more put together overall. I think. That feels a lot better and kind of more purposeful. Might just be a me thing. And then I'm also going to use one down here. I'm going to put our produce in these instead so it doesn't just sit on the dirty little drawer. That's what I'm thinking. And might just be me, but simple things. I feel like that feels a little bit more put together. And then on top, this will probably be where all of our leftovers and food ingredients and stuff go. But for now, just putting our hot dogs up there. Fried beans, which I probably should put in a Tupperware, but I think it's fine. Okay, so for up here, I think I'm just gonna refill the ice cube trays and move things around a little bit, but not much, because there's not really much that we need to do in here yet. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. Okay, that's literally it for right now. I think once we get a little bit more on top of things and start doing some meal prep, that will be able to go in here and down here. So this is just for right now until we get more stuff to put in it. And then on the fridge, I also have a notepad for us to write down what groceries we need. And then over here, I'm kind of writing down meals as I think of them, because I feel like that's the hardest thing that I have come to learn, is just figuring out what to make, not just making food. So I keep these little notepads here just to get a good idea of what we need and what we're doing. And then up here, I also have a calendar that I'm going to fill out when I have the motivation for it. Anyways, let's open up this fridge and see how much better it looks, because I feel like this is so much better than before. It also will be a lot cleaner without stinky old foods smelling it up. So again, we've got our produce, our cheese and lunch meats, then our bigger drinks. Up here we've got kind of eggs, yogurt, applesauce, breads. It's a little random. I might put this bread down there technically so it goes with it. And then up here, just more stuff for meals. Then in the door, we've got our jars, our energy shots, butter, sauces, sweeter things, and then of course down here we've got our Dr. Pepper and Diet Coke shelf, which I think is very necessary. Okay, so the fridge is done. Definitely didn't take me as long as the pantry did, but I feel like that's because we don't quite have as much in there. Of course, as we go grocery shopping more and more, it'll get a little bit better, but I think it looks great for right now. Much more organized, which it just does much better with my soul. I love everything just organized nicely and cleaned, and so that is so much better. So I'm going to go do dishes from all of our gross Tupperwares that we threw the food out. I'm gonna make sure to do a better job of remembering when things kind of go bad and trying to eat them before then and not getting so distracted with other things. But other than that, I think I will continue to update it as we do more grocery hauls, which we will show you guys, and then I can also include a restock if that's something that you are interested in. And I just wanted to say one more time, don't forget to check out my friends at MissAir. They will be linked in the description down below, and get that 15% off because these are so cute. So definitely go check them out. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this little journey. I don't know why, but I find these videos so satisfying and just so much better to watch. And so I hope you enjoyed, and I just want to say that I really just love and appreciate you all. So thank you so much for watching.